Hello guys, today we're just going to make a simple 3x3 tutorial. Yeah, you'll be able to solve this soon, pretty fast after watching this, memorizing the algorithms. So let's get right into it. First off, you're going to want to solve the white cross, which is where on the white side, so where the white center is, you have a cross of white pieces. So what you're going to want to do first is find your white edges. Those are edge pieces. You're just going to want to turn them and put them on the side with the yellow center piece on it. So you're just going to want to find all your edges and put them there. Now once you've done that, you're going to want to find them so you have your white next to the yellow, and then on this one there's orange, so you want it to match with the centerpiece. Then you just turn it twice so it's now on the white side. Then let's look at another edge piece, this white edge piece. Turn it to the blue side and turn it down. So now it's on the yellow. Now we've got this white edge. It needs to be paired with red, so we're going to turn it there and put it down. Then this green and white edge, and turn it down. So now you've solved the yellow cross, or the white cross. The next step you're going to want to solve is the yellow corners. So we'll take this corner, the white, blue, and orange. We're going to find the white, blue, and orange slot. Bring it down, over, and up. So now it's in its slot. Let's find another corner. This is in an incorrect slot, so we'll take that out. So now we have orange, green, and white. So there's a slot. So we'll put down, over, and up. Now we have this one, but because the white is on the bottom, we have to bring it down, over, up, over. Because this is red and blue, we have to insert it here. And now we can just go down, over, up. Now that's correct. Then down, over, up. So now you've solved the yellow side. From this point on, we're going to solve the middle layer. But first, you're going to want to learn notation. So in other words, when I say R, which turn does it mean, or U? So R means the face on the right, turn it clockwise. R prime means to turn it counterclockwise. U is clockwise, U prime counterclockwise. F prime. L prime. B prime. Then D prime. So now, as I said, we left off with the white side, so now we're going to solve the middle layer. So we're going to look for an edge on the top that doesn't have white. This one has green, so we're going on that side. So we're going to find a green and do this simple algorithm. Because this orange matches here, we're going to do U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And now you've slotted that in with the rest of it. So let's search around. Blue and red, so we're going to match that with blue. Same algorithm. Next down, this red has to go to this side now. So the algorithm for that is the same, but on the other side now. So we're going to do U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So now you've slotted that one. Now if there's no edge pieces on the top that don't have any yellow, that means there's one slotted incorrectly. So here we have that. So just do your algorithm to take that out, match it up, and put it back in. So now it's correct. So you've officially done the middle layer. Next up, we're going to do the yellow cross. So it's like the white cross, just on the top now with the yellow. So the simple algorithm to solve this case, you gotta go F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now there are a few other cases. So if you have this case, you're going to have to do your algorithm and then do it again and you'll have it. And if it's completely blank, you have to do the algorithm and you'll get the line case. Do your algorithm again and you'll get that case. So now you can solve the yellow cross. Next up, you're going to solve the yellow side. So you're going to repeat the algorithm I'm going to say in a minute until you get a case with a yellow and 3 non-yellows on the corners. So you're going to have to repeat this once or twice afterwards, after you get to this case, or the case where that yellow is there. You have to go U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Then now, in this case, we're going to have to repeat that again. So now I've solved the yellow side. And then, as I said, for those other cases, it's going to take, if the yellow is here, it's going to go to the top if you do that algorithm right now. So this green will go to the top, the orange to the top, and the blue to the top. So there you go. Now you can solve the yellow. Next up, we're going to be solving the yellow corners. And no, they're not already solved. They're solved on this side, but we need to match them with their other colors. So there's an algorithm that we use that switches these 2 corners. So I got the worst case where there are no corners solved. If there are 2 corners solved, you only want to do the algorithm on this side, saying that these 2 aren't solved and these 2 are. But if none of them are solved, you're just going to want to do it once and then once again on the other side. So the algorithm is R prime, F, R prime, 2B, R, F prime, R prime, 2B, and 2R, and then U prime. So now I have the 2 red corners solved, matching. So now we're going to go to the other side and do that same thing. So now we're on the final step where we solve the last 3 edges or 4 edges, which means you just have to do this algorithm twice. So you're going to look, so you've got last 3 edges there. You want your other solved side in the back. So if this is blue and there's my blue side, so the algorithm you want to do here is going to be right, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, and R2. If your unside edge, like how blue was here and belonged there, if blue is here and it belongs there, you just have to do the algorithm twice. And if you have 4 unsolved last edges, you have to do that algorithm, and then one of them will be solved, and then you go on from there. So that's the tutorial on how to solve 3 by 3.